It doesn't turn on or anything, so I have it open here, so I'm just going to show you guys what's inside one of these. Obviously, you shouldn't scrap these unless like the thing was soaked in water, because they're still worth about I guess depending on the condition, 50 to 100 bucks. Well, like I said, if it's soaked in water, it's finished. So got a nice little Wi-Fi board here, so there's definitely gold here, some gold here, gold here. For sure some gold in these chips, some tantalum capacitors, even some aluminum here on the foil. And you got your steel screws, plastic covers. These alone you could probably sell for like 20 bucks. People always need the covers. And this here, the front plate, the front plate here, it's pretty much quite valuable because these are like all touch buttons. So for example, if someone has this ribbon here that's ripped or torn in any way, they can turn on their Xbox One or eject or anything. So this piece here, without this big chunk of plastic, is probably worth like $10-15. So there's some value there. Then you have the drive board, which is kind of like a computer DVD drive, I guess. So it has its board. So we have, this is the value of a DVD or Blu-ray drive on a PC. So we have gold here. You have the small IC chips that have gold. There's tantalum. There's small bits and pieces of gold on the thing. There's a switch here, which probably has some silver, another gold connector. Kind of hard to see, but there's gold in there too. Obviously, gold in the SATA cable, piece of wire. You know, so this alone is quite valuable. Then you have the actual drive itself, and of course, gold tipped. This is just some flex cable, not gold tipped. I'm pretty sure the laser probably has a gold plated diode in it. Obviously there's some aluminum, little copper bearing motor. But even these, some people buy them at like 10 bucks because they need parts out of them. So we have another piece of cable here. Got another piece of cable here. The Wi-Fi cable. So let's see here. So this is another piece that could be sold for parts, plastic. So we have this 500 gig hard drive. So I haven't tested the hard drive yet. Might be working. Obviously, if it's working, it's worth a few bucks, probably like 25-30 bucks. What's special about these is they come with the Xbox One, I guess, operating system pre-installed in them. The thing is, unlike other consoles, the Microsoft hard drives aren't kind of like plug and play. You can't take this one out and plug it in a other hard drive and have it work. You need to pre-install the software. So someone who has an Xbox One with a bad hard drive will pay more for a working hard drive with all the pre-installed information inside. So usually these go for 60 to 70 alone.